Welcome back to SK Hobbies AZ, and on this episode, we've got new SCX24s for the channel. You're not going to want to miss this, so stay tuned. All right, welcome back. So yes, we have new SCX24s for the channel. Now, we're not going to do like a full unboxing because I've already got them out of the box, and they are sitting right here. And then there's something over here. But anyway, so we got two new ones. And look at this. So can't just have one. So we got two. We got one of each color. So we got two of the SCX24 Power Wagons sent to the channel. So we're going to check these bad boys out. Now, the Power Wagon comes with a different style of Spectrum controller. This is the SLT2, so it doesn't have the full base like the other ones do. It's a little pistol grip, but it actually is really easy to thumb steer. It's the wheel's a little bit closer. And let's look in the inside of these guys. So it is kind of like the Gladiator. And it's a full hard body with an interior. If you guys want to see that, you can kind of see inside of there. There's two guys inside of there with cowboy hats on. This is the green one. Comes with the Spectrum electronics. It comes with the standard, you can see right there, it's the 030 motor. Basically a Gladiator underneath, except for you got some new Spectrum electronics instead of the axial electronics. It does come with a Spectrum branded battery, which we're going to play with these. I don't have a battery this charged, so we're going to go ahead and throw one of our other batteries in it to turn it on here in a minute. So there is lights. There's lights up here in the front grille. It does have a front bumper. No lighting in that, but this thing is wired for something else, and I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you guys what else we got. Look at this. We got the trailer. So, if I move this out of the way, move this over here. So it does come with, there's lights on the trailer. So there's enough for you to run your lights up and plug them in, which we will. Let's get that snapped on here. So that kind of snaps on like that. And it gives you plenty of room Look at that. Put an SCX24 on it. So it looks like they come off from the sides here. That's how they come off. So come off like that. I'm going to pull those out. And so now if we put this on, get that snap back on. So these guys, if I can keep them on camera here. These guys set just like this. And depending on your wheelbase, you can set them a little closer. If you got something smaller, you adjust it to the wheelbase of your RC. Now, these have brass wheel extenders in it, so it is going to be a little bit wider. But I think there's enough where we can catch the tires. And then you can actually drive it all the way up on here. So with that being said, we have the orange Gladiator, and we have a trailer for the orange one too. So let me put some batteries in this so you guys can see the lights work, and I'll be right back. All right, so we got batteries in it. If you look right here, see you got the headlights. There are no tail lights on this, but I thought this was kind of cool that you can kind of raise and drop this tailgate down. Just like that. And it's actually a little metal pins right there. But we got the trailer lights plugged in. They don't really change brightness on this one, but it's pretty cool. All right, well, we got batteries in it. I'm going to get the orange one put together, and then we're going to head out and drive around, and we'll probably put one of the AX24s on the back, and we'll see if we can keep them on there. All right, guys? See you guys here in a minute. All right, so we got batteries in both of them, and we're out here in the backyard. The wife's already loving the green one. She's already driving around with an AX24 on the back. But these things are pretty cool, and they're like set up like perfect, at least for my fingers. I can one-hand drive this guy. Yeah, we're definitely going to have to put together kind of like a backing up trailer competition now. Yeah, these things are pretty cool. So one thing I noticed about the trailer here is you can see there's these little spots right there that looks like you can hook in to, and you can run some straps over to strap in your RC. I'll definitely see which other ones of the RCs will fit on this trailer, but you can see with the AX24 there is plenty room. And like I said before, I do have extensions on this. So it's those plus 5mm extensions. No weight, but just the extensions on it. So even with the extensions, you're still on the trailer. There you go. All right, we got new ones coming to the channel. We're going to have some upgrades coming to both of these guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bash that bell. I'm Stitch, SK Hobbies AZ, and I'm out.